Hello, my name is Greg Hendricks, and with Rigging Dojo, I'm excited to present you the Intro to Photoshop Scripting course. So I've been a technical artist in video game industry for the past 7 years, and in those 7 years, knowing Photoshop scripting has been an invaluable skill set that's helped me and my teammates countless times. Usually when I mention Photoshop scripting, most people are like, what? Photoshop has scripting? And there's not that many resources for learning it, which is why I wanted to create a course which would have helped me when I was first starting out. We go over all the basics which you'll need to know to make effective Photoshop tools, but more importantly, there's a strong emphasis on how to look up information on your own. That way you can continue learning long after the course is over. So we go over many things in the course, but let me just show you a few scripts we make. And so this script here, on a project I worked on, we had many icons in this PSD file, so hundreds of these icons. And we needed to export these and edit them and re-export them many times throughout the project. So here we have where the PSD file is saved, and I'll run the script. And if we look at the folder again, you'll see we have a folder with the group name and each image exported with the layer name as the image name. And this script here probably saved us throughout the project maybe like at least a week or two worth of time, and it was very easy to make, which is really what's awesome about Photoshop scripting, is that it's easy to learn, but you can make really impactful tools that will help your project and your team. And we also create a script and assign to hotkeys that will go to the next and previous layers, which is what I'm using here to cycle through the layers, and that's kind of cool. And we also go over how to combine images in a folder with the same with a specific suffix. So here, for example, I have underscore spec as the number 4, 5, and 6 image. So if I run the script, it will point at the folder that has the images, which it's already pointing at. So I'll say select folder, and then I'll type underscore spec and click OK. And I'll grab images 4, 5, and 6, which is what the underscore spec images were, and combine those into one image. And towards the very end of the course, I also give a brief introduction to how to create UIs with Photoshop scripting. So if we just type some text. So we just create a basic UI. I'll show you all the documentation needed to further enhance your knowledge after the course. And we assign buttons to commands. And here you can see the UI interact with the Photoshop document and create a text for us. So those are a few of the scripts we work on throughout the course. So we only use basics programming techniques. So if you know about things like variables, arrays, if else statements, and for loops, you'll be able to follow along without any problems. The course is on demand, so you can learn at your own pace. I'll be available for support to answer any questions you might have while I go through the material. All right, so thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the course.